Tulip provides a toolkit to improve processes for those who know them the best.
You'd be surprised, but manufacturing relies a lot on paper. We help these manufacturers digitize their processes.
Think of how Google Slides could enable anyone to build a slideshow. We would enable you to build an actual app, build your own custom UI, make it look exactly how you want, make it run exactly how you want, use integrations with real-world hardware, with APIs, with databases.
Essentially, Tulip bridges the gap between people, machines, data, enabling companies to be more agile and make data-driven decisions.
I would say my favorite part of working at Tulip is that we get to solve really interesting, complicated problems that actually get to make a difference in people's lives.
As a software engineer, manufacturing is a challenge for me, and the more challenging thing is providing a tool or a system for manufacturing.
I really enjoy working with all our customers, and I really feel like we're working on something really important. I think manufacturing as an industry is becoming more and more critical.
I get to solve customer challenges and feed those insights directly into the product. Plus I get to do this with a highly talented, amazing set of people.
There's a strong sense of trust and openness, which makes it easy to share ideas, challenge the status quo, and continuously improve.
I've gotten a lot of experience working all the way across our tech stack, working with different stakeholders, working out how to drive a problem.
There's a lot of autonomy, and you're encouraged to take ownership of projects.
We are at the forefront of digital transformation in manufacturing, solving real-world problems with innovative technology. Plus, you get to work with smart, motivated people in a culture that values creativity, ownership, and continuous learning.
I think the people in Tulip, it's pretty cool. I think we're a very open community. I think we like getting shit done.
My favorite part of working at Tulip definitely is the people. We're all trying really hard. We're hard workers. We show up every day and we do our best. Being in that environment really motivates you to be the best version of yourself.
I really enjoy the people I work with. One thing in particular, we have free lunch a few days of the week, and on those days everyone kind of comes in, you eat lunch together and you talk, and I think I've only ever sat down next to people and been like, wow, this person's really cool and likable.
Everyone is passionate, collaborative.
There's a culture of a lot of trust with the people that we have here.
Everybody's always super helpful, everybody cares about each other.
You can always find an answer if you have a question, you always find help.
People are open to new ideas, and there's a real focus on learning and problem solving.
I'm learning new things every single day. I think it's always good to have that support, and I think we have great support here.
It's a really great place to grow. You're given enough independence that you can have some autonomy over your work and you can work on problems that are really interesting, but you're also given enough structure that you can really grow as an engineer. I started here pretty early career and I've gotten a couple promotions and a lot of progress.
Whether through hands-on projects, mentorship, or structured training programs, we are encouraged to take initiative, experiment, push boundaries.
I've personally been at Tulip for 3 years, and during that time, all the leaders that I had really showed that they cared about my professional growth.
It's a great environment if you like working with smart, driven, and talented people who genuinely care about the work they do.
I would say it's a place where your voice is heard.
I think someone who is highly motivated and someone who's energetic will be best for Tulip.
You can be a good fit for Tulip if you are curious, if you like new things.
If you like to work in high-growth environments, if you're curious about manufacturing, then Tulip is the right place for you.
Welcome to Tulip. I can't wait to build something great with you.